Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 launched. Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. LPDDR5X flash memory. UFS 4.0 memory. Internal display 7.6 inches. QXGA Plus Dynamic AMOLED 2X display. 120 Hz refresh rate. External display 6.2 inches HD plus Dynamic AMOLED 2X display. 120 Hz refresh rate. Gorilla Glass Victus 2. 10 MP selfie camera, external. 4 MP UDC selfie cam. Triple rear camera, 50 MP main camera, OIS, 12 MP ultra-wide lens, 12 MP telephoto lens, 3x optical zoom, 4,400 mAh battery, 25W fast charging, 10W wireless charging, 253G weight, fold, 13.4 mm, unfold, 6.1 mm, IPX8, Android 13, One UI 5. 1.1. That is it, guys. Without been said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.